I would like to share with you some knowledge about the Chinese characters. I know the Chinese characters are not an easy thing for you to learn, so here today I would like to introduce some methods of forming the Chinese characters, and you may try to remember those easy characters by the way I will tell you now. I will tell you, okay? So there are in total 6 methods of forming Chinese characters. The first one is pictogram. So it's the Chinese character derived from a picture. The second one is ideogram plus phonetic. Okay. So the third one is ideogram, which means the Chinese character indicating an idea. The fourth one is combined ideogram. And the fifth one, transfer character, which means the character with meanings influenced by other words. And the last one is loan character, which means character acquiring meanings by phonetic association. I know these definitions are very difficult for you to understand, so in the following steps, I would like to introduce those methods one by one. So the first one, method 1, is pictogram. The Chinese character derived from a picture. Let's have a look. First of all, here. Actually, this is a Chinese character which people may have used in 1600 BC to 1046 BC. And what do you think this look like? Maybe it look like just like a mountain, right? Actually, it means mountain, okay? So this is how it evolved as time went by. So here, in the very beginning, it's like this, and then like this, then like this. And now, the character is like this. So this character is pronounced as shan. Shan, it means hill, mountain. Even now, you can see it can be just imagined as a mountain. See, this are the ridges, you see? So I think maybe this is an easy way for you to remember a character. So now let's move to another one. How about this? Actually, this is one of the ancient Chinese character. What do you think this look like? This is the evolution of this character. This is what it looks like nowadays. So here, this character actually means fire. It is pronounced as 火. 火 means fire. So see, actually, it just looks like a fire, right? In ancient times. So here, this is 火 means fire. 火. Okay? So let's move on. How about this one? Let's have a guess. What's the meaning of this character? Just like the water flowing in the river, right? Actually, it is water. Water. Here, water means it is pronounced as 水. 水. 水 means water. Okay, so easy. You just imagine this is the riverbed, and this are the water flowing on both sides. Okay, so this is water. Okay, how about this one? What do you think this looks like? Actually, this is how the person looks like in the ancient times in characters. So this is its evolvement, okay? See the changes? And nowadays, it is look like this. It looks like this, okay? So it is pronounced as 人. For example, Chinese means 中国人. Okay, 中国人. 人 means person, okay? person. See this, well, this is how the person looks like in the ancient times, okay? So now let's have a look at this one. What do you think this looks like? Looks like a what? Actually, it's the character of door. It's a door. See? Door is pronounced as men. Okay, men. See, these are like the frames of the door. Okay, you just walk through this. Okay, so this is door. Okay, so now let's move on. How about this one? What do you think this character is? Actually, this is mu. Mu means tree, wood. See, this one is just like the tree, right? So these are the ancient forms of mu, of tree. Okay, just imagine these are the tree, and this is the leaves, these are the roots, and these are the trunk. Okay, so here this character means tree and wood. So now let's move on. How about this? What do you think this character is? Actually, it means sun. Okay, just like the sun. Sun is pronounced as 日. For example, Sunday, we can say 星期日. Okay, you see this just like the sun, right? It's in a circle. Okay, so now let's move on. How about this? This just like the moon, right? The moon. Okay, the moon in different shape. So here, moon is pronounced as 月 in Chinese. 月. See, these are the sequence of the strokes. Okay, 月. 月 means moon. Okay, let's move on. How about this? This is just like a smiling mouth, right? A mouth is smiling, is loving. So these are the ancient Chinese character of mouth. Nowadays, this is the present form of mouth. Mouth is pronounced as 口. Okay, 口. 口 is also a measure word. For example, how many people are there in your family? You can say 你家有几口人? Okay, it's a measure word. 口 means mouth. Okay, how about this? Okay, here, actually, it means 女. It means female, daughter. So 女, this is 女. Okay, 女 means female and daughter. How about this? Just like a little boy, okay? So this, it means 子. 子 means male, and son, 子. So here you see just like a little person, little boy. So it's 子, okay. This is the hands, and this maybe are the feet, okay? These are the head. So 子 means male and son. Okay, now let's go to the method 2. Is ideogram plus phonetic. Okay, and this method is a little bit difficult for you to understand. If you cannot understand, that's okay. Okay, so here, 口, we just talked about it. 口 means what? Means mouth, right? 口 plus this character. This character actually is pronounced as 马. And we form this new character means 骂. 骂 means to scold. And this character, we borrowed pronunciation from 马. And we borrowed meaning from mouth. Because when we scold someone, we need to use our mouth, right? So here we have two mouths here. But we only borrow meaning from mouth, and we borrowed pronunciation from ma. So here, ma, see the similarity between the pronunciation? So this character has borrowed two things. Borrowed meaning from mouth and borrowed pronunciation from this ma. So together means ma. Ma means to scold. Okay, so move on. And this is also the same. You see here, this is the character we just talked about is mu, means tree, right? Means tree. This is a tree in the lower part. So here, 桌 means table. So we borrowed meaning from tree because when we make a table, we need tree, right? We need tree. And we borrowed pronunciation from this upper part. This upper part is pronounced as 桌. So here together, this table is pronounced as 桌 in Chinese, right? We borrowed meaning of the lower part, mu. We borrowed pronunciation of the upper part, 桌. Together, 桌. 桌 means table. And this is also the same here. 椅 means chair. When we make a chair, we also need wood. We need a tree. So we have a tree on the left part, but on the right part, we borrowed pronunciation of this character. This character is pronounced as 旗. So together, this chair is pronounced as 椅 in Chinese. Okay? This method is a little bit difficult. If you cannot understand, that's okay. Okay, so now let's move to method 3. Chinese character indicating an idea. For example, here you see this is a horizontal line and this dot is above this line, so it means up. See, up is like this, up. And this is the horizontal line and the dot is down this horizontal line, so it means down. Okay, so 上, this is 上, this is 下. 上 means up, 下 means down. Easy? Very easy to remember, right? See? 上 and 下. Okay. So, next one is the combined ideogram. Means Chinese character that combines the meaning of existing elements. Let's have a look. For example, just now we have learned this character means sun, right? 日. This character means moon, 月. 日 plus 月 together, it means bright, bright. So this character is pronounced as 明, 明 means bright. Okay. Move on. See, just now we know this is mu. Mu means tree, wood. So when we have two trees together, it means woods. Woods means many trees, means woods. When we put three mu together, it means forest. Forest. Okay. So woods and forest. See the connection? So this is very easy, right? And this one. 女, we know it means daughter. 子, it means son. 女 plus 子, it means good. Okay, good. So if your parents, you have a daughter and you have a son, it must be a very good combination. So it means good. Okay, good. 好. 好 means good. 你好 means are you good? Are you okay? Okay. Okay, so that's all the method for the forming of Chinese characters. I hope after this lesson you may find some rules to remember and to write the Chinese character, okay? So there are some rules you can remember and you can refer to.